Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have some boxes from Glossybox's outlet. I have opened them up because they have sent me the wrong boxes, but that's okay because so far when they send me the wrong boxes, they send me something comparable or something a little more expensive. The outlet boxes start at $7, y'all. Great value. So this, I believe, I sort of took a peek because I had to take it out of the outer box that was hard to open. The brown boxes are harder to open than the black ones. They have a strip, but it's different. So November 2022. I believe these both are November 2022, and I only ordered one. So, but I did order some others that I am not getting, that I haven't gotten, that they say that I've already received and I haven't. So let's check it out and see what's in here. And Cammie is right here because she wouldn't stop crying. I had to put her up here. Cammie, want to say hey right quick? She's looking at things. Y'all, she's so fat. Yeah, she does not like to be held, but she always wants to be with me, and she'll climb up my legs, y'all. I have got scars, or not scars, but you know, sores on my legs and all. Oh, she's so short you can't see her. Okay, see her tail. Anyway, yes, Cammie, you say hi. It's nice if you say hi. Look at her cute little legs and all. You know? Her little black butt. Okay, all right, calm down. Anyway, let's move on. This is a little open. I had trouble getting this out of the box, so it sort of all fell out. So, but it is really very well presented. You know, glossy boxes are well presented. Okay, you'll have to move a little bit, love. It has this beautiful ribbon and the tissue and, you know, the nice sticker and all. Something in here smells good. So let's see what's in here, because I don't, you know, they give you an idea of what's in there, but then there are different versions. So this just says in here, rock and glam. Oh, this is one of the scammy cards. So this will tell you about it. I'm filming with my phone, so I can't do that. So here's a quick look. The reason I got this was it had the beautiful satin pillowcase. Isn't that pretty? That is in a, let's open it and see. Silky satin, prevents bedhead and pillow creases. This is from the Vintage Company, very nicely packaged. And, oh, it's already, let me get it open out of here. I love the animal prints. And if you can see that the inside there is pink. So, you know, a lot of times it's gold or brown. So this is just beautiful. It's a nice big pillowcase. So, and I do like a silk pillowcase. Sometimes though, I get a little hot if I have one. So I tend to use these more in winter, but this is a really nice one because when you put your pillow in there, this pillowcase has this flap. So your pillow goes in, this goes around the edge of your pillow so that your pillow doesn't stick out at all. You see how that works? That's like, you know, really nice expensive pillowcases are made that way. So that is very nice. And everything smells good in here. So let's put that right there. It matches my blouse a little bit. But that is very nice. So I don't have, let me see, I don't think it tells me what the value is. I may have that somewhere. Hang on. I have a list with some pricing from Glossybox's website, but some of the boxes did not have pricing. And this one I do not find pricing for. So anyway, just that beautiful, beautiful pillowcase. It does say that it's hand wash. I have, usually what I do is I wash, you know, just with my regular sheets and things, and then I will hang that kind of thing up. But I wash it in the washing machine, and I don't usually have trouble with it. So what else is in this box that costs $7 is Grand Cosmetics, or Grande Cosmetics. This is a liner, a 2-in-1 liquid eyeliner. Let me show it to you. It says, it has a lash enhancing serum in the eyeliner. Now I've had their eyelash enhancers and mascara and things like that. This is all sealed, y'all, so I'm gonna leave it sealed for now. Well, no, I'll open it. Let's see. Give it a twist because it's got this plastic all on it. Okay, yeah, it just looks like an eyeliner. Let's see how it, Yeah, I'll use that. Just that type of a head to it. So it says that it enhances your lashes. So interesting little tube, gold. It's pretty. I'll have to get that plastic off. So I don't know, what is that? Maybe $15, $20. That's full size for sure. And of course, a pillowcase is full size. And then the other items in here are deluxe samples. And since I'm showing you that, here's the other box. Okay, the boxes are beautiful, by the way. If you know, you can make great gifts. $7 for a gift here, y'all. I mean, really. It has this, but if they send you the wrong one and you were looking for something in particular, you know, that's the only thing about it. Because I shouldn't have gotten 2 of these boxes. So what I have in here looks about the same. There might be 1 or 2 items that are different because there's different versions. But I have the beautiful pillowcase. I'm going to leave that one in the packaging. I may give that one as a gift. And then I have the Grande liner. So some of these things, you know, will go into giveaways. And it looks like maybe I have mostly the same things. Because I have one of each of these. Replenix, I'll show you one, I'll read one. Replenix Age Restore Nighttime Therapy. This is a medical grade ingredients of ceramides, peptide complex, green tea, polyphenols, anti-aging. Well, that sounds nice. I like that kind of a pump. So I'll definitely be trying this. And then I have a spare. So if I like it, or maybe even when I like things, I put things in giveaways. I don't just put in things I don't like, just so y'all know. I do like, I like skincare. So I'm just, you know, nighttime repair. I put on my skincare when I watch TV in the evenings if I get a chance. If not, you know, it might be a little bit different. But I do that a good hour or more before I go to bed. So when I go to bed, sometimes I'll put more on. So this says nighttime repair, and this is a perfect kind of little pump to be by my bedside. Just pump some on, put some on, go to bed. I might do that. So, okay. Next we have, this might be what I'm smelling, even though it's not open. This is Aromatherapy Associates, and it's De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. And well, everything smells the same in here. It smells spicy, but I would assume this is going to be sealed. Oh no, it's not. Look at the minute I open that, it's coming out. I don't know if that's what it is. Okay, this one I'm not going to open. This one I probably will put in a giveaway. Oh, but that feels good. De-Stress Muscle Gel. Hey, that it smells, it's like cooling, a cooling effect. I'm just trying to see what is smelling so good, but I don't see anything in there. It's not this. This smells, it's very cold on my arm or my hand. It just has a little bit of a cooling scent. Oh, it feels wonderful. If aches and joints, I'm gonna really like that. I've been having a little trouble with my knee lately. So, should have been sealed, but it isn't. This one, I'm going to put it right back in the box, because this one I'm going to put, I don't want to mix it up because I didn't mean to open it. But now that I've opened it, it feels fabulous. Okay, what else I got? All right, so there are 2 more products. There's a lot going on here. So both of these together would be $14 on sale now. This box, when you buy it by the month with the subscription, is $21. If you sign up for a year, you can pay by the month and pay $18. So I've got 2 lip balms. Let's see if they're the same. They're called Darling Lane. They are the same. So let's see what that's about. It's Ms. RMS Beauty Tinted Daily Lip Balm. All right. I don't know that I've heard of this brand. It's just a very plain cardboard, white cardboard. I don't know if you can see that because of the, I don't think the light really has much to do with it. It's just very hard to see. Let me open this up and see what it's about. Oh, it's pretty inside there. You know, I love lip balms. I have too many. That's so pretty. Oh, I love it. That is my color right there. That's one of my colors right there. I love it. Let's see how it does. Let's see. Hey, Cammy. Oh, see how light it is? I like that. See, it looks dark, but it goes on very light. So it really is a nice moisturizing lip balm with a bit of a tint to it. Very, very pretty. And they're both the same color. So again, I've opened one. The other one I'm going to put in. It may end up in a giveaway at some point, but this one I'm going to keep. I have a bag of my lippies that I carry with me every day that are different from my nicer lippies. Hope that makes sense. But anyway, and then the last item we have is from Borghese. Advanced Fango Active. Let me show you that while I'm... Advanced Fango, F-A-N-G-O, Active. Mud for face and body. How cool. You know, Borghese's from Italy. And the Borghese family, you know, they're on QVC a lot, by the way. Advanced Fango Active Mud for face and body. Apply a generous layer to clean skin. Always apply stuff like that to clean skin. To your neck, to your body. Avoid eye area, of course. Leave for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse off thoroughly. So it's a mud. Let's see what it looks like. Look how pretty. They've got their coat of arms on there. Can you see that? Why is everything white? And my ring light isn't necessarily light, you know, brighter than usual or anything. Okay, so I love this kind of a tub that has this little lid on it. This is so pretty, and this is a nice little thing. If you like little containers, this is a nice little thing to keep for other things when you're done. Oh, it's a nice mud. It really is mud. It has an aromatherapy scent to it. That might, but it's not as strong as what the box smelled like. It was sprayed with something. It smelled good. But there's a lot in there. And I am gonna like that because that looks like a nice smooth mud. And I love Borghese products. I have bought Borghese products for many years. So that is what I got. In one box, we got the Borghese mud. We got the, where'd it go? I moved it over here. We got the beautiful tinted lip gloss. We got the eyeliner that's supposed to enhance your lashes. We got the cooling gel, which feels really good still on my arm. Aromatherapy Associates of London. I don't know if I said all that originally. De-stress muscle gel. Very nice size to carry with you. What else do we get? We got this Replenix Anti-Aging. And we got the pillowcases, the beautiful pillowcase. So this was $7, y'all. I mean, really, go on in and get some. I bought, I don't know how much you have to spend to get free shipping. So, not really sure. But since I'm gonna try this anyway, if you want, I'll take a quick look at this and see what it looks like on my hand. I'll just put it a little bit right here. Not sure if a little bit or a lot will come out because you gotta usually prime that. So a lot came out. It doesn't really, it's very nice and creamy. Can you see it right there? So, it's nice. Oh, I like it. It does have a little scent. It's not upsetting at all. It's a little citrusy scent. To me, it's a little citrusy scent. So I'm gonna really like that. It's a light cream. It'll be nice to put on after, like I said, after all my stuff is on. Because it's just got a nice little scent. All right, this was a fabulous box, and I got 2 of them. One is wrong. I'm not sure what I'm missing, but I will go back and look and see what I'm missing. I may try to get that box again. I don't know. Or, I don't know. Anyway, but like I said, if you do buy any of these things, just remember it's a crapshoot what you get. Mostly I've gotten everything correct. So, but now I've got 2 mistakes. Out of ordering an order of 3 and an order of 5, I have 2 mistakes, 1 from each order. So, anyway, I still have 1 more box I think to show y'all, and that'll be in a different video. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.